Today I'll be going over how to use Microsoft Excel. Excel is a Microsoft product that's used to analyze data by creating spreadsheets. So when you open up Excel, this will be the first screen you'll be greeted with. You can choose to open up a blank workbook. There's also some tutorials up here and some template options, but we'll go ahead and open up one of my previous documents. Your most recent ones will be here in this section, but you can also go to Open, and that will allow you to browse your computer to find any Excel spreadsheet that you might want to use. You'll mainly be using Excel for recipient lists, sales data, and other basic data entries. It can be used for a huge variety of data analytics, but we'll mainly focus on recipient lists, sales data, and other basic data entries. So let's go ahead and open up one of my documents. When you open up a document, this is what it'll look like. You'll start off on the home screen. Here you have your basic font formatting options, your alignment options. The most important thing here would be the merge and center button. That way you can merge two different cells together. And then here we have the number. You can change how numbers look. For example, here they are currently labeled as currency, but I can change it to accounting. I could change it to a date, time, percentage, fraction. There's quite a few options there. The other most important thing will be conditional formatting. For example, these green, red, and yellow symbols here are part of this conditional formatting. So I can clear that formatting there or add different formatting depending on what is needed. Let's move on to insert. On insert, the most important thing will be pivot tables and the chart section. For pivot tables, I'll be going more in depth on that in another video, but it's a great way to summarize data sets that are too large or have too much information. You just want to condense it into a small part. In the insert tab, you can also add pictures, shapes, icons, your standard stuff. Here you can add different charts. So if you highlight a data set, you can click on recommended charts and it'll give you different recommendations. You can also create your own different charts or a pivot chart. The page layout, this won't be used too much since most Excel spreadsheets will have just basic layouts. The function in the formulas tab, you'll have different functions. Here you can, if you don't know how to use like a certain function or what the shorthand is for a function, here you can go and just click on it and it'll give you the function within a cell. So as you learn, you'll use this section less and less, but it's a great way to just have a hub where everything is located. In the data tab, this won't be used too much unless we are importing, unless we are importing data from another software, which may happen, but it won't happen too much. Here we can also do what-if analysis and forecast sheets. The review section, here's where you make sure everything is spelled right. And this is also where you can see comments from other people who may have been working on the Excel spreadsheet with you. In view, again, you won't be using this much. Just different ways you can view your spreadsheet. Help section, in case you ever need more help with how to use certain functions or how to format certain things certain ways. You can always go here. There's some great resources. Of course, the share button is on the top right. Here you can share your spreadsheet by sending it to other people's emails. Down here is where you can make more spreadsheets within a whole workbook. So for example, here I have another one, and if you press the plus button here, you can create another blank workbook there. So that'll be it for now. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask. Thank you.